Hello folks, thanks for dropping in. Today we're doing a B2B PS5 HDMI port replacement. They did warn me that there's a torn pad. Luckily it's a ground pad, so will not need to be restored. I've already prepped the board and prepped the port. So let's go ahead and get it on. It's gonna get a little loud, so just be sure to turn down your audio or speakers or whatever. Let's get it on. Alright, let's secure these posts. Alright, so those are the posts. Let's go ahead and clean up the liquid metal and bolt her up and test. There's the final outcome on the pins. Now we just gotta take care of the liquid metal. The APU isn't that bad, but the heatsink is. But anyhow, before and after. Before and after. Sounds like there's a game in there. Come on. It's taking forever. Come on, white light. Or are we not getting a white light? So it turns out you have to plug in the HDMI cord. We gotta wait for it to go to the white light again. And there's a game in there, FIFA 22. Okay. There it is. About time. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Store now open. Memberships available. Thanks for watching.